Dr. Kris here from Live Well Chiropractic, and I want to share with you two key tips that I share with a lot of my practice members how to overcome a lot of digestive issues that they have. Number one is probiotics. Can't tell you enough of how beneficial probiotics can be for your gut health. I tell people to take it for constipation, for diarrhea, upset stomach. Even if you have flu-type symptoms, you have really bad diarrhea, here's a little quick tip, is just take like 6 or 8 of them at a single dose every hour for a couple hours, and you'll find out within about an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, your diarrhea will completely stop. But on a regular basis, just take 2 or 3 probiotics on a daily basis will solve a lot of digestive issues. I can't tell you how many things we've seen improve just with that. The second thing that was a little bit more advanced for you that want to take your digestive system to a different level is a whole term called intermittent fasting, where you actually skip a certain meal or you actually eat all your food within about an 8 to 10 hour window. So typically it's skipping your breakfast or maybe skipping your dinner, and you're just eating in that window. I found this to be very tremendously beneficial for me. I used to always eat a big breakfast because I thought that was the most important thing, and I would get sluggish mid-morning. Since I started doing intermittent fasting, it helps regulate my hormone levels, it regulates my energy levels, and it makes me feel so much better when I eat just a lunch and then I eat a dinner in the evening. That's it, and I feel so much better. So those are just key tips and stuff. Obviously, chiropractic can do a long ways, and we also have a lot of other supplements that specifically target other organs that might be not functioning at a high level to help your digestive system work better. We see a lot of gallbladder issues, a lot of reflux issues. That's definitely very correctable. So we'd love to help you out. Definitely check out our Facebook page, our personal one for Live Well Chiropractic. It posts classes that we have on a regular basis, informative classes of upcoming ones, and we have ones on digestion and a whole bunch of others. So check that out. We'd love to have you attend one of our free classes to learn more about how you can help your body get healthy and well.